Hello, and welcome to our MeMinder 2.0 tutorial series. In this video, we are going to explain the Caregiver View in MeMinder and go through the process of customizing a daily item. Please launch the MeMinder app from your Android or iOS device. If you are shown the login page, please enter your login information. If you need any help with logging in, check out our other tutorial videos.
Welcome to MeMinder. Please tap the item that you want to hear.
By default, MeMinder will launch into the Talking Pictures view. To switch to the Caregiver View, let's go into Settings. Uncheck the Show Talking Pictures View option, then tap on the green checkbox at the top right of the page to save your settings. This is the Caregiver View. There are a handful of differences to distinguish this view from the Talking Pictures view. First, there are no audio prompts, no welcome message, and no event deletion confirmation. The title bar has no color and no MeMinder logo at the top left, just the name of the list. At the top right, the network icon is still shown, but the Settings button is now always visible and requires just a single tap to go into Settings. The list of daily items is much smaller, and tapping on an item does not play the associated audio. Finally, swiping an item to the left still allows you to delete that item from the day, but there is no confirmation. If you noticed, swiping an item to the left also reveals some additional options. This is how you customize a daily item. The three buttons you see on the item are Reset, Edit, and Delete. We already covered Delete, so let's talk about the blue Edit button. Tap that button to view the details of this item. This is the Item Edit and Preview page. Let's go over what you can do here. First of all, the name of the item is shown at the top left of the page. Just below that is a picture preview of the item with a play button in the middle of it. Go ahead and tap the play button.
Take your medications with water.
This simulates what will happen when you tap this item in the Talking Pictures view, whether it plays the system audio, a custom audio, or a video message. We'll talk more about that in a minute. Below the picture preview is a group option. Since MeMinder provides many pre-built items from many categories, including custom items, there's no way to guarantee that the Beam server will deliver your list in the order that you need it to be. The grouping option gives the ability to add some sorting capabilities to your list. For instance, if you wanted to make sure this item was at the top of your current list, choose any group color. You will notice the item is now listed at the top. The reasoning behind this is that if an item contains a group color, it will always appear above items that have no group color. Now let's try something else. For this item, pick a group color to the left of the orange group. You will notice that this is now at the top of the list. The way the group designation orders your list items is green items first, then blue, orange, purple, and yellow, with all non-grouped items showing last. You can always place an item in a different group, or you can remove it from a group color by deselecting the current color. Okay, let's customize the media for this item. Across the bottom of the screen are 4 options to make this item unique from the default picture and audio. Take Photo will allow you to use the device's camera to replace the image for this item. Open Picture will do the same, but it will allow you to search your device's image library for the picture. Take a Video will allow you to record a short video clip to play when the item is tapped, and Record Audio will override the default audio with your own recording. Here's a demonstration. Let's say you don't like the default audio. Tap the Record Audio button. Now, go ahead and record your own audio. You can press play to preview your recording, or tap Record again until you're happy with it. It's time to take your daily vitamins. Tap the blue checkbox to save your changes. Now tap the Preview button. It's time to take your daily vitamins. Okay, let's change the default picture. Tap the Take Photo button and you will be shown your device's default camera app. Okay, we've changed the image and the audio. Let's see how this looks in the Talking Pictures view.
Welcome to MeMinder. Please tap the item that you want to hear.
It's time to take your daily vitamins. Excellent. That's all it takes to customize an item. Now, let's record a video for this item. Tap the Take Video button and you will be shown your device's default camera app. Okay, now that you've recorded your video, one recommendation is to take a custom picture that represents what's in the video. This isn't required, but it provides the user sort of a thumbnail preview of the video. It's time to take your daily vitamins. One last thing to note, any custom recorded video will always override any audio when this item is tapped. Let's go over one last item in the Caregiver View. Now, if you are ever in a situation where you want to reset an item back to the default settings, all you have to do is swipe left on the item, then tap the gray Reset button. If you accept the warning message, it will remove any custom audio, picture, and video you've created for this item, and you will need to recreate those if you want to customize it again. If you tap Yes, it will clear out any custom media, but it will not clear out the group color if you had one selected. That covers all of the features of the MeMinder Caregiver View. As always, if you have any questions, please contact us anytime at support@createabilityinc.com. Thank you for watching.